in your attention to what is, in your perception of what is, in your really decision or belief, in your statement of what is, in your see it, hear it, smell it, taste it, touch it about what is, you are seeing a minuscule part of what is. All you're seeing when you look at what is, when you note your physical condition, or you note your financial situation, or your relationship situation, or when you look at what is and you sort of pronounce to yourself or others, this is where I'm at on that, this is how it is. We want you to understand, first of all, how incredibly temporary what is in that sense. But we also want you to begin to understand that the what is that you're calling what is the scantiest version of what is. Yes, it's focused, it's out here on the leading edge, it's what's manifested, it's what you're realizing. We get why you want to call it reality. We just want you to think of it, no matter what it is, no matter how good it is or how not good it is, we want you to begin regarding it as temporary. Because there is a new now, there it is again, a new now, there's a new now, it could take a while. Like eternity. A new now, there's a new now, right now. You have the ability to modify your perception of now before now changes. In your attention to absolutely what is, you miss the pleasure of where you're going, but you also miss the opportunity to guide yourself effectively about where you're going. But we want to get your attention when we say to you that now, lovely as it is brief, really, really temporary, and absolutely, under all conditions, modifiable, changeable. The thing is about now, the reason that now is playing out the way now is playing out, in terms of everything that's happening in your experience, is because of what you've been thinking and how you've been feeling. It's all about the mixture of energy within you. And that mixture of energy within you is about your desire and your belief. Really, that's all that it is. Desire and belief is the framework by which you are offering vibration. Vibration matters because you're launching this vibration, which in the easiest way for you to understand it is the energy that is supporting or is the reason for the thought. So when we say thought or vibration, we're talking about your focus. So when life causes you to focus, even if you don't put it into words, when life causes you to focus, there's a vibration that is emitting from you that is your point of attraction. You're emitting this vibration. The non-physical part of you, the source soul part of you, is holding that vibration of what you desire in a really strong focus. You have these habits of thoughts about it also. In other words, I want more money, but the truth of it is I don't have as much money as I want to have. So you're offering vibrations, a lot of you, only one at a time, but in sort of rapid fire, I want it, but, I want it, but, I want it, but. I want it, but, I want it, but. So when the I want it is the more dominant part of your vibration, things that match what you want begin to actualize in your experience. You begin to realize them more. If the but it's not working, but I don't have it, but I don't know anybody that it's working for, if those acknowledgments are dominant, if you're giving those more airtime, then your point of attraction is dramatically affected by that. You getting this? You get what you think about. And what is confusing to so many of you is that you think about what you want and then you think about it not being there, and then you think about what you want and then you worry about it not being there, or you worry that it will go away, or you wonder where you're going to go with it next. In other words, there's so much speculation about the things that go on in your mind that hold you in vibrational discord to what you really want. We want you to find a way of practicing your vibration, practicing your thought into alignment with what you really want. And that's why desire, what you really want, and belief matter so much. Because desire is what you really want, even though it's sort of fleeting in your vibration sometimes. And belief is the practiced vibration. That's just the vibration that you've been practicing. It doesn't mean that it's true, But if we can just convince you that it's all about vibration, it's all about thought, it's all about focus, and your now moment can be different than the now moments that you've been practicing before they were now moments. And if you can accept that this now moment, that you can think differently and therefore feel differently, and because you're thinking differently and feeling differently, your point of attraction is different. That if you can maintain that different vibration just for a little while, the momentum of the new thought will become a new belief that harmonizes with the desire. And when that happens, when what you want and what you believe about it are in the same place, then that is your point of attraction. Whatever you got going on thought-wise is what's manifesting in your experience. There's just no way around that. The nice thing about manifestations, you know what a manifestation is. A manifestation is just your realization of something. We want to say that emotions are manifestations too, because it's a realization of a vibrational state of being. So if we can get you to care for a while, won't take long before you really get the hang of this. If we can convince you to care about your emotional manifestations first, last, and only for a little while. In other words, you care about how you feel more than anything else. Then we have a chance of convincing you about focusing your thoughts in ways that beliefs will begin to harmonize with desires. And when that takes place, your point of attraction is so solid, so non-contested, so not resisted, that you stand in a point of attraction with the universe surrounding you, yielding to you constantly as it always is. But the new factor is you're letting in what's being yielded to you. When you ask, it is always given. The answers are there, the solutions are there, the path is there, it's lighted up for you all day, every day. But if you are all balled up in beliefs that prevent you from following the path or from knowing that it is, then it's temporarily on hold for you.